Diego go! Sloth Sleuth! We need to find Sammy the sloth. Do you think you can help us? Sloths live in trees. Sloths have 3 toes. Here is the path. Let's go. Look by the path. I see 3 toes. Is it Sammy the sloth? It has 3 toes, but it is not a sloth. Sloths live in trees. It is a tapir. Keep on the path. Look up. I think I see toes. Is it a 3-toed sloth? No, it is a tree frog. Tree frogs have 4 thin toes. Look, I see 3 toes in a tree. 1, 2, 3. Do you think it is a sloth? It is a sloth in the tree. Thanks for helping us find Sammy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Go Diego Go stories, check out my Go Diego Go playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos. Thanks for joining me today. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you all in the next video.